Here we have a 2025, it's a new model, the RHO Ram 3.0 Hurricane motor. Got twin turbo. We're just going to do a little before and after video of the sound clip here, and then we'll do a little comparison. So let's see what this sounds like. Just a light little purr to it. See if we can wake it up a little bit. Give it a little Muffler City sound here. Alright, so that's the stock sound. We'll get back after we're done here. So just to show you what's up in the air here, the factory setup is a dual in and dual out muffler. It does have a factory H-pipe there. Of course, twin turbo comes off. It's got a cat on each side. All that's going to stay the same. Just try to wake it up a little bit. Put an X pipe in there. It does have these factory little screens, kind of rob off the GM design. A couple of them in there to help the drone. We're going to leave all that. Like I said, just doing a little before and after here. Okay, so we didn't get one on the rack there, but we did put a True X pipe in there, and this is the aftermath. Definitely woke it up. It's got a good rumble to it now. Getting the blow block there a little bit. Woke it up. Sounds pretty good.